What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. And today what I want to talk about, before I do talk about what I want to talk about, is my mission in life is to serve 1 billion people through meditation and yogi sciences. Once again, my mission in life is to serve 1 billion people through meditation and yogi sciences. Let me get this video done real quick. Let me just go into the extreme of what I wanted to talk about. First, give it up to my homie, Super Dope Yogi. She's dope, love and light. If you look her up on Instagram, Super Dope Yogi, she's dope. She got stickers coming up. And the thing is, dope is my favorite word in the whole world. If people know me, I use that word a lot, dope. And she makes some stickers, so I decided to buy some stickers. Now, secret package. Like I said, my mission in life is to serve 1 billion people through through meditation and yogi sciences. So what I know I'm going through a minimalist lifestyle, so I got rid of a whole bunch of things, but I think I needed these, or I don't think I needed these. I wanted these. So you don't need shit in life. All you need is water and whatever else you need in life. But let's get started. What is in my secret package? Boo! So I got me yoga blocks, and these are motherfucking how is it? Oh shit! These are cork blocks, and with the gray strap. So let's open this up. Open this up. I don't want to mess it up. Boom. Now, getting back into yoga again and stuff like that, why you need straps, so you can assist yourself and push yourself through more and stuff like that. You know, you can put it around your feet, you can do it whatever, pull yourself back, hamstring stretches, what do you call it, quad stretches and stuff like that. It's always good to have a strap. Definitely about to overuse this right here, get my flexibility back, and keep it like that. And always save the boxes, because if you want to ship it to somebody else, when you sell stuff, you can ship it to them. Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm back. Let's get these blocks. Now these blocks are fucking heavy as hell, and is a yo, if you got this in your gym bag and you hit somebody with this block, they might fall, yo. It's like a real brick. Man, it's crazy. Live, what is it? Live Infinity? Yeah, Live Infinity. I think I bought the set. It was like $25 for the strap and the blocks. Could got something less expensive, cheaper and stuff like that, but I just wanted these. The quality was good, and plus it came with the strap and everything all together. I'm pretty sure if I went to Marshall's, Ross and something, I probably could have found it, but they didn't have the cork one that I want. They always had the colorful ones. I didn't want the colorful ones. I wanted the cork one. So now I got 2 blocks, and help me out with my flexibility, help me out with my meditation, and just get in there little by little. Always invest in yourself. Don't spend money on stupid shit. Only spend money on stuff you're gonna invest in yourself in. And I think this was a good buy. Dope cork. Like I said in my description, you can donate if you want to. If you don't, you don't have to. Subscribe, share it. I got merchandise if you want to buy shirts, sweaters, socks. You can buy that. But and I might come up with a company and start making my own cork blocks. I think this is dope. I gotta see what's the prices on them and stuff like that. So I want to set up the whole yoga, the yogi website and this and that. But little by little, I'll get there quick and soon. And like I said, through life, my life, like I said, is just gonna be devout and just stick to this one thing: yoga, meditation, and living a healthy lifestyle. Balance your life. You know, you don't have to be perfect, but just do what you gotta do. And like I said, the less you have, the better you feel, as far as if you can afford something, but you know that you don't need it, you don't have to buy it. There's people who out there who don't have money and they don't have, you know, a place to live or a place to sleep and stuff like that. That's different. But I'm talking about in general for us, for people who, you know, got a little bit of money to go spend and buy stuff. We don't need it. We don't need the stuff and stuff like that. So thank you for watching my videos. Like I said, my mission in life is to serve 1 billion people through meditation and yogi sciences. Little by little, we're gonna get into more vegan recipes, more vegan smoothies, more juices and stuff like that. But like I said, I'm just getting back into the making video things. Like I'll make a video and then I'll stop for a year and then come back and then stop for a year, and hopefully this time I can stay committed and bring you videos. So, and this time I won't go away no matter what. And just remember, man, if you are gonna buy stuff, buy some yoga blocks. These help with your flexibility, these help with your stretches, and actually it helps you, you know, organize yourself and make you reach places that you normally wouldn't reach. So these are basically like assistants, you know, and don't be afraid to use them. If you're a beginner, like I'm getting back to being a beginner, don't be afraid. Don't be, you know, use the blocks. That's what they're there for. Every person most likely use some type of tool in the beginning, and now that they're in a better position, they're doing much better. So there you go. Probably start making some yoga videos. So like I said, let me make this short. Thank you for watching my video. Little by little, we're getting there. Thank you for watching. Peace.